Okay, 12.3, surface area of pyramids and cones. Surface area of a pyramid, this is your formula right on your pink formula sheet. 1/2 LP plus B. L is your slant height, which is up the side like this problem. This is your height of your entire figure. This is the H. Our slant height is up the side of the pyramid. P is the perimeter of the base, and B is the area of the base. Our first example, start off by writing your problem, your formula. L is our slant height, which is up the side. P is the perimeter of the base, and the base is a square with each side of 7. So the perimeter of the base is 28. The area of the base is 49. You have a square with one side length of 7. So when we plug this in, 1/2 times 10 times 28 gives me 140, plus 49 gives me 189 meters squared. Lateral area is all of the triangles that make up the side of this pyramid. Does not include the base, just like we said with prisms. So lateral area of a pyramid is all the triangles that make up the side of the pyramid. So looking at my formula, this is the area of the base. Lateral area is only this part, 1/2 times L times P, which gives me 140 meters squared. Similar kind of problem, however, to find surface area, we need to know L. We don't know L. L is up the side here. So we can form a right triangle using the height, half of this length. So if this entire length is 4 square root of 10, half of that would be 2 square root of 10. Plug this into the Pythagorean theorem, and we find the L to be 13.8. From there, we plug that into our formula. L is 13.8. The perimeter is 4 times 4 square root of 10, because there's 4 sides. This is my exact perimeter. My base is 4 times 10 squared, length times width, or side squared. That gives me 160. When I plug this in, 1/2 times L times P plus the area of the base, my exact answer is this, which is rather complicated. This is my rounded answer. My lateral area is just that first part, 1/2 times L times P, which gives me either 80 square root of 19, which would be exact, or 348.7 meters squared. Surface area of a cone. This formula is on your formula sheet. Make sure that you're plugging in the radius, not the diameter, and L is your slant height. So looking at our cone, the circle is what it sits on. And when you find the lateral area, it does not include the base. Well, this is the area of the base, which is a circle. So lateral area is only this part of our formula. Looking at this example, our radius is 8, it's half of that diameter. The L is the slant height, which is up the side. So when we plug this in, remember exact area means don't multiply by 3.14. I did the 8 squared, I did the 8 times 15. My exact answer is 184 pi meters squared. Plug that into the calculator, this is your rounded answer. So pi r squared again is our base. We don't want the base when we're talking about lateral area. I'm only looking at 120 pi for my lateral area. And this is my rounded answer. One last problem, it says a cone has a base radius of 3x units and a height, it's a slant height of 5x units. This should be 5. The surface area of the cone is 1,944 pi square units. Find the value of x. Always start by writing your formula. After I do that, I plug in my surface area, my radius, and the slant height. First thing I did was divide all my terms by pi to get that out of there. I also squared. 3x squared becomes 9x squared. 3x times 5x gives me 15x squared. I added these two terms to get 24x squared. Divided by 24 and then square rooted 81 to get 9. And here's your homework for 12.3, and you will have a quiz on this next time.